Hi guys, it's Chris. I just want to come on here and thank everyone who was able to be a part of our live streaming event last week. We were really proud of a lot of different aspects of that and just so grateful for anyone who was able to show up. If you weren't able to show up though, I have good news. We're actually going to be hosting a second live stream next week on Tuesday, and it'll be at 1 p.m. again. And this is gonna be for really anyone who missed the last one, or maybe you had some audio quality issues in the first live stream. We know that was an issue for some users, and that's since been resolved. So if you missed anything Jerad and Dan said, they have a lot of great wisdom and knowledge to impart. So make sure you come to our next live stream. Again, it's Tuesday, 1 p.m. We will set up a virtual event reminder on both Facebook and YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, hit the little notify me button. If you're on Facebook, make sure you hit the going button so you can kind of receive notifications about that as we get closer. But we're also going to be having a very extensive Q&A session at the end of this live stream. We weren't able to do that last time. We are going to have it at the end of this one. So any questions you might have, be thinking now. And then show up on Tuesday, and Jerad and Dan will be happy to answer those. So we can't wait to see you guys at that event. In the meantime though, happy RVing.